Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JVC earbuds with your iPhone. First of all, you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case at least to the 50%. You can find input for the micro USB cable at the back of this charging case. Next, to perform the pairing, you have to just open this case and remove both earbuds from the charging case. And right now, just take a look for the both indicators. As you can see, the left one, it's blinking like red and white, and the right one is only on the white, and it means that everything is fine. They are automatically in the pairing mode, as you can see right now. That's how we can do this, so we don't have to manually press any buttons, just take them out of the case. Next, you have to just put them close to your iPhone and open the settings. Then go for the Bluetooth, turn it on, and right now you can find them on the other devices list. In my case, they are not connected because I just forgot to remove them from the list, but let me just restart the Bluetooth and you will find that they are right here. So select them once, I just misclick one more time. Let's click for the JVC. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.